always make sure that your battery is disconnected. I saw a video of I think one of the Miller Performance guys actually shorting their whole ECU out. The ECU touched here and then the ground cable or anywhere on the body, just fried the ECU. Hey guys, so I'm doing a ECU removal of a E36 325 convertible. I'm going to install the Miller W.A.R chip, and then I thought I'd make a video to show you guys how I did it. It's not really that difficult. You just got to undo these three screws right here, and then you get access to the ECU port, and you just take it right out. Correction, make that 4 bolts. Slide this rubber boot off on the inside. The case off. You just slide the whole ECU out underneath. Be careful because this is the whole wiring harness to your whole car. Wires might be really old, rubber linings might be cracked, but it should slide out pretty easily. There you go. Now to actually disconnect the ECU, you actually just undo these clips on the side right here. Nice and easy. Just slide it out. So here's the DME or the ECU. It's the Bosch Red Label 413 ECU. Basically, these 4 tabs should just come undone pretty easily with a flathead screwdriver. Afterwards, or actually not these 4, these 6 actually, there's 2 more on the top. So you can see how easily they break off right there. There you go. Now the chip we're going to be replacing is actually the one right here. There's a little clip on it to make sure it holds in place. I don't think this clip will fit back on with the chip that I'm putting on top, but we'll have to see. So right here I have the W.A.R Performance chip that I bought recently from Miller Performance. It came with a USB cable to connect to a computer, connect the chip to the computer. The chip itself actually has a 4-tune storage capability, and it comes with this little knob that you can actually switch interchangeably between the 4. And I also bought a little grommet to come with it so I can run the wires through the ECU safely without really damaging or fraying the wires. The chip itself is actually right here. You can see it's really small. When you want to remove the old chip, I had bought a cheap eBay chip before for like $40. Worked pretty well. Upgraded to the W.A.R because I wanted some more programming capabilities. So when you remove it, you gotta be very careful because you don't want to damage anything, any of the pins on the inside. And when you install the new chip, you want to make sure that you put there's like a little half circle right there. It has to match this little groove notch. It's on the inside of the ECU right here. And it should just fit right into place. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press kind of firmly on it just to make sure it goes in. Here we go. Okay, it's in. Now basically what I'm doing, I have the holes drilled and I have the wires wound through, little ECU grommet. All I'm going to do now is just plug them right back in. I have the cap back on, wires in. I'm just going to tape it so prevent anything from, if I were to pull on it by accident, I would have myself a little bit of leeway so I don't actually pull or bend the pins on the inside. Now, from here on out, I'm not going to put anything back in just in case, because I want to make sure the car starts.
I fucking hate this IGT.
Slow.
Fast. Faster than what we're in now.
No, this is the fastest car in the world.
Yeah.
I'm actually pretty sure.
So do we have plates on this?
No.
Nope.
That's the tuner, right?
What?
That's the tuner right there on the windshield.
Yeah, I just hung it out because like I don't know where to wire it.
Chillin'.